Right guys, next project is my stepson who wants a bedside table to go with his bed, which we made out of pallets a few months ago during lockdown 1, and this is a very simple sort of no drawers, just a sort of carcass, N shape if you like. So I need to make an inside frame and then put some I think what is it, some 5x1 mahogany, actually from mahogany pallets. I'm going to mill that down now and then start looking at how much exactly I need for the frame, how to make that frame, and then get it all together. So we'll be filming that. Sawdust and coffee. Nothing like it. Can't drink it any other way. Not anymore. For reasons of noise, I won't be talking. So that's one straight edge. Now I'm going to do the other pieces in the same way. So I've got one straight edge, and then I'll take the jointer sled off and use those straight edges to make sure I've got two straight edges. I'm not 100% confident with the planer thicknesser yet. Bearing in mind I haven't used it yet. I turned it on and put one piece of wood through it. Looks great, but I want to practice a bit more, so I'm using this method, and I'm obviously going to video the planer thicknesser when I start using that for the first time. But for time and for the fact I haven't used it yet, this is the system I'm using today. So yeah, bear with me. Guys, it's definitely sawdust and coffee time now. Both sides jointed, and while I was doing that I was thinking I need to get this planer thicknesser thing used, get confidence in it. So that's what I'm going to do next, is change my mind and use the planer thicknesser to get these sides nice and flat. So I say I'm working with some really rough timber here, which is what I made the humidor and the whiskey cabinet out of, so there's no problem with it. I don't really want to belt sand these down and go through all that, so planer thicknesser it is. Next video will be getting these faces nice and flat, and then measuring out. I've pretty much measured out that these boards, something like 40, there'll be two sides, 40 high, 3 boards wide, and then 3 boards going in the other direction to make the top about 38, so 380. So in inches that would be different, but basically 14, 15 inches high. As I said, three boards each side next to each other, and then 3 boards flat across the top, and then a frame to hold that together, make it sturdy inside, that hopefully won't be too visible. As he doesn't want any drawers, he just wants a sort of open N shape. I need to think about how that's going to hold together, but hoping that battens in the corners inside and one across the bottom of the back will do that. Anyway, everything will become clear. Episode 2 of this nightstand build will be my first use of the planer thicknesser, which is sitting quietly in the corner looking at me like it's going to rip my arm off, so that's good, and we'll see that in episode 2. Cheers guys, hope you all had a good weekend. That's it from me for today, and I'll speak to you all next week, if not in between times. Thanks again for the first 100 subscribers. We're going for 200 now. So any help you can give me getting to 200, that'd be absolutely fantastic. And the quicker we get there, the quicker there's the second giveaway, which is those that featherboard kit, complete kit, and whatever I make between now and 200 subscribers in the shop that's easy to ship. So I'll speak to you soon. Good luck with the sawdust and coffee, and have a great week.